Hey guys, how you doing? Right, we're doing a update video here on a lawn we renovated just a few weeks ago. I think you'll enjoy seeing this one. So let's get out and have a look. Now, this was a big property, big lawn, lots of lawns to do, and we carried out a very full renovation. And as I'm looking at it now, it's looking very good, very happy. You want to see? You want to see? Catch a load of this. So overall, it is still thin and patchy, but it's still new. And it's only been a few weeks. So it's looking so much happier, so much greener. And you can see by looking at the overall green colour of it, how it's going to look when it's thickened up. And that is how it'll look when you're looking down on it. Now, I think it's going to struggle a bit under this tree over winter and in this corner because of the shade. So I was always going to expect that. But I think we'll go around and have a look. But can you remember all the bags of rubbish we had there? So overall, it's pretty good. It's full of weeds, but we're going to tackle them in spring. But in terms of coverage, we've got good coverage. So what we did worked, and it worked well. So remember, we scarified, polytine aerated, we overseeded and top dressed. Just a couple of very small spots there, but they should fill in absolutely fine. Customer's doing well. We've got the hose pipe set up over there, and in general it's good. I'm really pleased with this. In fact, I am really pleased with this. The coverage is really good. If you don't take enough thatch out, you end up with patches that stay brown because you haven't taken enough thatch out and the seeds are not able to touch the soil and germinate. So proper seed to soil contact is absolutely vital and critical. This is why you have to scarify enough and get enough thatch out. I'm absolutely over the moon with this. Let's go and have a look. Too nice to walk on. But you can just see what this is going to look like. Sun's not out today, not at the moment. Occasionally it comes out, but it's been heavy rain this morning. But overall, good. It's a good, even overall coverage. Now, along this edge, I expect it to go thin over winter. And down here, look, and this is due to the shade and the roots from the trees. But if as long as they keep it on a nice high setting, it'll bounce back. We may have to chuck a few more seeds on in spring if needs be, and give it a chance to grow tall and for the roots to grow deep, so it's stronger and healthier and lusher. Like I say, we'll be keeping on top of this. We'll be getting a weed killer on in spring. We'll get them weeds tackled, a bit of fertiliser on, and give it a really good going over. So there you go, guys. This is what happens when you renovate a lawn. It comes back better than ever, and the benefits just outweigh the hard work. And it was hard work because it was absolutely red hot. But there you go. Thanks for watching. See you soon.